Let's go have fun.
Alright. Alright, dog. Oh, where are we going?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
I don't even know.
You're gonna fall. Go, Becky, go. I'm scared. Come get me. Ooh, slippery. It's ice, that's why.
Alright. Where's these going?
Well, there's ponds up here if you want to go hang out with them. Or we can go back there into like the really pretty neighborhoods. Do you want to do that?
No.
Why?
No.
There's really big houses back there.
No.
I'm going.
Why are you running like that?
I don't even know, but you should have seen my face. I was like, so nasty.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Holy crap!
Crap.
Let's talk all British.
I'm
No.
hating that.
Let's not.
Let's not talk like that. I can't talk like that. I be talking like a black man.
You look like a large black man.
I ain't no motherfucking black man.
I'm a fucking white female. I'm still a smoking hot female. What you waiting? Never mind.
One day we were in the car and it was me, Juju, my brother, and my dad. We were on our way to church, and my mom was calling my dad's phone, and my dad didn't answer. And it was like my brother looked who it was. He's like, my brother was like, dude, that was your female. And my dad just started cracking up, and me and Juju just sitting back, like, ah! Yeah. Holy crap!
What you be thinking, old man?
What you be thinking? He's going here?
No, over here. Damn it.
Mama's over here. Your female?
No, she's not. She's in Maryville.
Girl, I'm over there, Maryville.
Boy, what you be thinking? You drive a Cadillac. That ain't no Cadillac.
Oh, hey. Hello. How's you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How you be?
I'm good, thanks.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day, mister. Peace.
Peace, nigga. Peace.
Come on, Becky, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
We cannot cause that man any harm, or we will get a complaint.
A complaint
Indeed.
to the young females with crazy hair.
What?
I don't even know.
You making fun of my hairstyle?
No, I
I'm
like
gonna
it.
kick your ass.
Your ass. Kick my ass. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. You kicked my ass. Now I'm gonna kick your ass.
No! No! That is not nice. Alright, you got me. No, no. Can't resume.
Too long. Stop it.
No, I don't want to.
Stop dancing. Okay, well we're gonna go now.
No, but